The thought of payroll taxes can be stressful, but ADP's tools are designed to handle the heavy lifting. Proper setup is the key to accurate, hassle-free filings and payments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. This is primarily an administrator task. In ADP Workforce Now, go to Tax and Compliance Settings. You'll input your company's federal and state tax identification numbers and set up your tax accounts for withholding, unemployment, and other liabilities. ADP will then guide you through assigning the correct tax setup to each employee based on their work location and W-4 details. The system uses this to calculate withholdings automatically every pay period. My crucial pro tip: don't skip the tax setup review with an ADP specialist. Especially when you're new, schedule a call to have them verify your configurations. A 1-hour review can prevent costly errors and penalties down the line. With this foundation, ADP can calculate, file, and pay your taxes on your behalf. What's your biggest concern when it comes to payroll taxes? Accuracy, deadlines, or audits? Let me know below. If straightforward guides like this give you peace of mind, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.